morning, students. Yesterday we have discussed about some topics of chapter 1, computer hardware components, such as computer system, hardware and their components, external devices and main input devices like keyboard and mouse. Today I am going to explain some more topics of this chapter, such as main output devices, peripheral devices and peripheral output devices. So let's start from main output devices. So monitor is a single output device which is known as main output device. So let's explain monitor in briefly. Monitor. Monitor is an output device which displays generated information called output. Monitor displays information as user works on the computer. Hence it is called standard output device. Monitor is categorized in three different types. They are as follows: cathode ray tube (CRT), liquid crystal display (LCD), light emitted diode (LED). So let's discuss all these three different types one by one. So the first one is cathode ray tube. This monitor was heavy, thick and a picture tube. It is an economical monitor which worked on the cathode ray tube technology. They consumed a lot of electricity. CRT monitors were generally available in flat and curved shapes. It is no longer in use today. The next one is liquid crystal display. An LCD is a thin, flat display device. It is smaller and lighter than CRT. It is more popular than CRT because of its economical power consumption, thinness and high resolution. LCD are used in laptop, tablet, smartphone, etc. And now the last one is light emitted diode (LED). An LED monitor is one of the most widely used monitors nowadays. It uses LED technology for generating images on the monitor screen. It displays output in true color, quality and high definition video. The LED monitor is basically an upgrade of LCD monitor with the difference in technology used for backlighting. So these are the main output device and its different types. Now let's discuss about peripheral device. Peripheral device. Periphery means and the outer side. Hence the device which are used additionally to extend the functionality of computer are called peripheral device. They also help in input and output forms. So let's discuss about peripheral output devices. Printers, plotters, speakers and headphones etc. are the name of peripheral device. So let's discuss all the devices one by one. Printer. A printer is an output device that prints the data processed by a computer. It prints out the hard copy of documents and images over variety of medium like paper, plastic, sheets, etc. Printer can be classified into the following categories: dot matrix printer, daisy wheel printer, inkjet printer and laser printer. So let's discuss all these categories of printer one by one. First one is dot matrix printer. Dot matrix printer has a printing head with a grid of pin. Dot matrix is cheaper. It is good for bulk printing. It mostly used in banks and places where lot of continuous printing is required. Its print quality and speed is low. It is also very noisy. The next one is daisy wheel printer. Daisy wheel printer is no longer used today. It used circular wheel with different characters and symbols for printing. It cannot print any graphics. The next one is inkjet printer. Inkjet printer. The inkjet printer has several teeny nozzles that spray ionized ink on a sheet or paper. It is used in home and small offices. Its print quality is good. It prints faster and makes no noise, but it is expensive. It can print in black and white as well as in color too. And the last one is laser printer. The laser printer is print the character by laser beam. Laser printer comes in separate variety of black and white and color. Its speed and quality is higher than those of inkjet printer. It is also quite printer but is very expensive as compared to inkjet printer. So this is about the printer and their categories. Now discuss about plotter. A plotter is similar to printer. Produces a hard copy output. Plotters are ideal for engineering, drafting and many other applications that require intricate graphics. Plotters are accurate but slow. They are very expensive too. Plotters can be categorized in two types, flatbed plotter and drum plotter. So let's discuss all these categories of plotter one by one. Flatbed plotter. In flatbed plotter, paper is fixed on a flat surface and pens of different colors are mounted in the pen holder which moves on the paper in vertical and horizontal direction to draw the image. And the next one is drum plotter. In drum plotter, the paper is placed over a drum that rotates back and forth to produce vertical motion. The pen is mounted on a carriage which moves across the width of the paper. This combination of movement creates the required design. And the next one, so this is the about plotter and its categories. Now let's discuss about speakers and headphones. Those devices produce sound output in very high sound quality with 3D sound effect. Headphone and earphone are portable version of speakers which can be used with handheld devices. So students, that's all for today. Few more topics are left for chapter 1 that will continue in next video. Hope you all understand everything. If you have any doubt and query, you can ask. Thank you.